What's up guys? Kamusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Union Bank U Visa Platinum or unboxing of Union Bank U Visa Platinum. So ito yung card guys. Bago pa to, as you can see, sealed pa siya. Na-request ko to ng pick up by branch. So isi-share ko sa inyo guys yung delivery process, kung paano yung acquiring process para makuha ninyo ng sure kasi minsan hindi na di-deliver sa delivery address ninyo. So isi-share ko sa inyo guys yung experience ko kung paano ko ito nakuha kasi hindi ito dumating sa bahay. Kaya naman for today's video, pag-uusapan natin nung nag-apply ako at saka kung magkano yung credit limit at the same time kung paano nga ba mag-request ng pick up by branch sa Union Bank nearest branch. Pero bago yun, nais mo na kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa ito channel ko bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, here, ito yung card. So i-unbox na natin kasi nga ito ay unboxing video ng Union Bank U Visa Platinum. So ito yung card. So isa-isahin natin. As you can see guys, may stapler pa siya. So patanggalin natin yung stapler. Yan, ASMR. So sandali lang, buksan natin. Tapos tanggal na, tapon natin. Dalawa yung stapler guys, as you can see. Ayan, naniniguro si UB. Ayan, natanggal na natin. Tapos yung proper way of tearing the card, no, the mail of credit card is here sa gilid para at least ma-preserve yung mail. So, dito natin siya iti-tear sa gilid. Ganyanin lang natin. Dahan-dahan. Ayan, hanggang sa masapol sa dulo. So, nice ko lang i-share sa inyo. Ganyan kasi ako guys mag-open ng mailing card ng credit cards na nare-receive ko para at least, ano pa rin yung, ano niya, intact pa rin. So, yan, gagawin na siya. Tchaaan! So, ayan na, dito na yung ano nakuha na. Then, nandito nakikita nyo how to activate your card. So, para may QR code, scan nyo lang. Then, dito yung details. Ayan, nakikita nyo. U-card. U-credit card. Ayan. Tapos, pag ginanyan natin, ang ganda. Wow, ang cute. So, ito siya guys. So, nakikita nyo. Pag ginanyan siya, since ganyan siya. Pag ginanyan nyo, ganito yung makikita nyo. May nakasulat na andyan yung credit limit kung magkano at saka yung cash advance limit. So, ayan na yung card guys, ang ganda. Tapos, Union Bank U credit card, as you can see, with no worries, you experience more. So, ayan, nakikita nyo naman. Din yung card, ito na yung card guys. So, ang ganda. Ayan, nakalagay is, activate your card now. Activate your new card with the Union Bank online application. So, regarding activation, guys, nakikita nyo sa application, naka-reflect na tong card na to. Then, yung dapat nyo gawin is activate card nyo lang. Mamaya pakipakita ko sa inyo. Actually, guys, hindi siya ma-screenshot. So, pagka-open nyo ng online banking, kasi nung nag-apply kayo ng Union Bank credit card, bibigyan kayo ng code. Tapos, yun na yung magiging way para mas mabilis kayo makapag-sign up sa Union Bank online banking. Then, as you can see ito, tapos pag ganyan nyo pa siya, ayan, nakikita nyo na yung nasa loob. Nandito yung understanding your card. So, as you can see, nandito yung perks and benefits niya, nakasulat. No annual fees, as you can see. With your U credit card, there's no need to worry about your any annual fees. Enjoy no annual fees on your principal and supplementary cards every single year. So, there's no need to call or meet any conditional requirements. Kasi assess na siya guys na no annual fee for life. Then, nandito nakalagay is 10% interest rebate. Paying on time is rewarding. When you pay at least your minimum amount due on or before your due date, you get a 10% rebate on your total cash and retail interest. This will be reflected on the next billing cycle. So as you can see naman guys here, quick ano lang, nakalagay is 10% rebate. So kapag hindi kayo nakapagbayad ng full sa statement date or statement balance ng Union Bank U Visa credit card ninyo, so may 10% rebate siya kapag on time kayo nagbayad ng payment due date or minimum amount due. Then no over limit fees. So your U card has a credit limit made available to you. If you find yourself going slightly over the limit, fear not, you will not be charged an over limit fee. So wala siyang over limit fee guys kasi kung magkano lang yung available credit limit, tapos na magpas yung spending nyo, so okay lang kasi wala siyang over limit fee. No late payment fees then. As you can see, we get you. There may be times that you might unintentionally miss a due date. With your U credit card, the standard late payment fee is waived. Pay the minimum amount due as soon as possible to return your credit card status back to good standing. So regarding naman sa late payments guys, I suggest na wag niyong uugaliin na magka-late payment kayo kasi kahit nakalagay dito is no late payment fees, para magkakaroon pa rin kayo ng bad shot or bad record sa credit bureau kasi may mga late payments kayo. So, make sure to always remember your due dates sa credit cards pa rin talaga. So, here na guys, atin nang titignan yung card mismo. Ang ganda. Excited na akong baklasin. So, yan siya. Oh. Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo paano tanggalin. Ang ganda guys. Yun. Wow. Oh. Yan na siya. Ang cute. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo. Tapos yung nakasulat na sticker, activate your card now. So, tatanggalin natin yung sticker, guys, no? Ang ganda. Pwede, mamaya mag-ESM ako, guys. Gagamitin ko na to. You know? Charan! Ang ganda! You Platinum. Ayan. Babalik natin ito dito sa ano. Talagay. May natira pa. Ayan. Ayan, U-Visa Platinum guys. So, sa likod, makikita nyo yung details. Hindi ko lang pwede ipakita. Diyan yung pangalan, yung expire date, tsaka yung card number. Then you have to sign. Then nakalagay guys is contactless. So, pwede mo siyang tap to pay itong card na to. Tapos, regarding credit limit. Yung credit limit nyo guys is 105,000 pesos lang. So, parang good start. So, since bago lang naman ako sa mga credit cards, so 105 yung credit limit na binigay ni Union Bank. Tapos, as you can see naman, yung statement date is 2nd of every month. So, yun yung parang mag-generate yung statement date ng credit card na to. Magkano yung spend ko, then I have to wait 22 days para bayaran yun para hindi ako magkaroon ng payments or late payment fees para sa due date ko yun. Ang ganda na guys. So, tapos regarding delivery pala neto guys, ang ginawa ko is tinawag ko siya. You have to call the official hotline number of Union Bank kasi sa probinsya yung address. Currently, nasa Metro Manila ako. So, ang nangyayari is I have to request pick up by branch para sure na makuha yung credit card kasi minsan hindi dumarating sa delivery address. So, tinawagan ko yan, yun yung official hotline number nila. Request kayo ng pick up by branch sa nearest branch ninyo. Any branch yun guys actually, basta may Union Bank sa lugar ninyo. Tapos make sure lang guys na kapag text ka na nandun na yung credit card ninyo, nag-update na. So, make sure lang guys na puntahan nyo. Magdala kayo ng dalawang valid ID kasi dalawang valid ID yung kinuha sa akin. Tapos, para ma-verify yung identity natin. Tapos, yun, mabilis na lang. I-release na nila yung credit card. Then, you can activate it na. Then, you can unbox na. So, this video is unboxing of Union Bank U-Visa credit card. At the same time, sharing my experience about this credit card delivery or Union Bank U-Visa credit card or Visa or MasterCard credit card delivery ni Union Bank. So, ganun yun guys. Ito yung nasa loob. Ang ganda. So, meron naman siyang guide on how to activate your Union Bank credit card. So, ganun na siya kasimple guys. Then, regarding naman credit card guys, it contains confidential details, no? So, make sure lang guys na do not ever share it with anyone. Regarding the card number, expiry date, then yung CVV or yung CVC or yung card verification code. Actually guys, lahat ng details sa credit card ninyo. Kasi delikado yan. So, you should know na hindi dapat to sinishare sa iba. Especially guys, yung one-time PIN or yung OTP. So if someone is calling you, asking for your card details, especially yung card number, expiry date, and then yung CVV or CVC, do not ever share it with anyone. Kasi confidential yan. Especially yung OTP or yung one-time PIN, that is strictly confidential. It must be keep it to yourself. So dapat aware kayo doon. Kapag may tumatawag, kinukuha yung mga details na yon, wag niyong ibibigay. Or do not ever share it with anyone. So ganun lang naman yung mga highlights or mga kailangan nyo malaman regarding Union Bank credit cards. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!